the power supply from the MSK, first thing we gotta remove is 2 screws. One on the side for this plate, and the screw that holds the power supply in place. Okay, so we remove this plate. Slides out to the right. You're gonna hook those two pieces from the metal. Unplug everything on the side from the power supply. If you're switching from 220 unit, you're gonna get one plug here for 110. That will be for that power strip that is European style. So just remove that one power strip from there. Unplug the front power, put them aside, and you should be able to start sliding it out. Now it's gonna be hooked in the back. You gotta lift it a little bit so you can take it out. Now the entire power supply is gonna come with a power cord, so all you gotta do is pull it through. Alright, to put the power supply back, slide it out. Put the power supply back, we'll slide it back in. Okay, we gotta make sure it's flat. There's gonna be like a hook in the back. You gotta wiggle it a little bit. Make sure you plug in the ground cord here on the side. I suggest to put the screw first before you start plugging things in. Plug everything back into the power supply. If you're doing a 220 conversion to a 110, then you're gonna need an adapter for your 220 plug, because these are 110 on this side. Plug. Yeah, because you're gonna have the screen power and the PC power. Alright, that one's a little bit in there. There. Then put your plate back on. There. Put the screw in. That should be